Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 5-star chocolate wheat brownie. So let's get started. I'm going to add some roasted almonds. So for that I've got 1/4 cup almonds. Add a little salt, 1 to 2 teaspoon water. Mix well and let the almonds sit for 15 to 20 minutes or at least 10 minutes. After soaking, roast the almonds. Roast at medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. The almonds would dry out and you may also hear cracking sound, and that's okay. After roasting, transfer them to another plate and let them cool down. And after that you can use a slicer like this to slice the almonds, or you can use your knife to chop them. I'm going to keep these aside and later use in the brownie batter. Next I'm going to chop the 5-star chocolate. So here I've got 2 packets of 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Chop the chocolates using a knife. So now I'm going to set these aside and move to the next step. Before we start making the batter, I'm going to preheat my pan. You can use a kadhai or a pressure cooker without gasket and whistle. Add some salt, place a stand and at medium flame preheat for 10 minutes. And don't worry, the salt can be used over and over for baking. In a bowl, take half cup milk and add half cup melted butter. Make sure the milk is either warm or at room temperature. It must not be cold. Next, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, or you can add half teaspoon. I like vanilla flavor, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Next, in goes half cup powdered sugar and give it a good mix. Now sift together the dry ingredients. Here I've got 1 cup whole wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients. Gently mix and remove the lumps. So once you're done mixing, you can use a spatula to scrape the sides and finally gently fold 2 to 3 times. Next, here I've got some chocolate chunks, approximately 1/4 cup. So add them to the batter and keep a few aside to be added on the top. Same with the 5-star. Gently fold. Transfer the batter to a cake tin lined with parchment paper or butter paper, or you can simply grease your mold. I'm using a 7-inch square tin, but you can use a 6.5 or even a 7-inch square tin for this recipe. And finally place some chocolate chunks and 5-star pieces on top. So this brownie is going to be loaded with chocolate. You can see the OTG or convection instructions on the screen, but I'm going to bake this in my pan. So at medium flame for first 10 minutes and then lower the flame and 25 to 30 minutes at low flame. Check whether the brownie is done or not by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean, without batter, it's done. You may get some chocolate on it, but that's okay. The brownie should be cooked. Let the brownie become warm enough so that you can touch it and remove it from the mold. And after that you can take it out. Cut the brownie. You can serve it as is, or you can serve it with some vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce. You can make a sizzling brownie with ice cream with this recipe. Store the extra brownie in your refrigerator and these would stay up to a week. Look at the nice, dense chocolate and 5-star loaded brownie. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!